He might not look it, but Darren's a real thrill seeker. So this Christmas, I thought I'd make all his dreams come true. With an indoor skydive from Virgin Experience Days. Because heights, well, he's still working on those. Find gifts that make dreams come true at Virgin Experience Days.
Welcome to Now TV, where you can stream whatever you feel like watching. Everything okay?
We can never agree on what to watch.
Well, the Now TV Smart Stick turns your TV into a smart TV where you can access thousands of the best shows, movies and box sets. It even has voice search.
Coco!
So, no more fighting over what's on. Stick on whatever you want to watch with the Now TV Smart Stick.
Maybe I didn't treat you quite as good as I should. Maybe I didn't love you quite as often as I could. Little things I should have said and done, I just never took the time. But you were always on my mind. You were always on my mind. You were always on my mind. You were always on my mind.
Oh, good afternoon. I got your message earlier. This is our most popular choice.
Thank you, but I don't do popular choices.
The time of year for movie magic is here.
Die Hard?
In number 8, it's the annual debate.
Bruce Willis at his best. Die Hard.
We are not watching Die Hard.
The Avengers. Great Showman.
Oh, yeah.
And in 22,
Come on, boys. She's asleep.
Granny falls asleep right on cue. In 3, it's time for a movie now they've finished the tree. While in 9, they can enjoy a movie anytime. And in 11, they're getting ready for Christmas movie heaven. Sky Cinema, movie magic on demand this Christmas.
Evening, Mom. Terrible night.
It's just electricity. Nothing to be afraid of.
Play Capital.
Capital, the UK's #1 hit music station.
Hey guys, sorry, can I get the ball back? Thank you. See ya.
Make the holidays more special with the iconic Coca-Cola glass bottle.
Welcome to Cineworld, where cinema means more. More together times, and I've so been looking forward to this. More gravity-defying, nerve-shredding, eye-widening, jaw-dropping moments. Unlimited movies anytime, and more memories made. More of what you love, at a place you love. Feel more. Feel more at Cineworld.
With the Cineworld family ticket, adults pay kids' prices. Embrace your childish side at Cineworld. Warning! Giving someone a Cineworld gift card may lead to uncontrollable smiling, feel-good vibes, and happy dances. Say it with a Cineworld gift card. Available in cinema and at cineworld.com.
Christmas traditions. Some people follow them, others make them. Try a new tradition this Christmas with Pepsi Max. Maximum taste, no sugar.
Welcome to IMAX, the world's most immersive movie experience. Powered by a combination of the most advanced technology, we'll take you from the edge of your seat to the edge of reality. Enjoy crystal clear images and colors so intense they will take your breath away in specially designed theaters that bring you closer to the movies you love. Huge panoramic screens that allow you to escape into your favorite movie scenes. And immersive sound that will surround you from here, here, and here. We can take you from a pin drop to the thunder of a jet engine. So, sit back and get ready to enjoy an unparalleled movie experience. IMAX. Never compromise.
My father was a lighthouse keeper. My mother was a queen. But life has a way of bringing people together.
We could unite our worlds one day.
Check it out. Arthur is talking to the fish.
They made me what I am. Permission to come aboard?
I've been looking for you. Your half-brother, King Orm, is about to declare war upon the surface world.
The only way to stop this war is for you to take your rightful place as king.
Trust me, I am no king.
You do your best thinking when you're not thinking at all.
That was the worst pep talk ever.
Might want to strap in. Welcome home.
My brother has come from the surface to challenge me for the throne.
I call it an ass whooping. I'm no leader. I came because I have no choice. I came to save my home and the people that I love.
You think you're unworthy to lead because you're of two different worlds. But that is exactly why you are worthy.
That was awesome.
The war is coming to the surface, and I'm bringing the wrath of the seven seas with me.
We're here.
What are you doing? Wait.
You should have a parachute.
Redheads! You gotta love them.
I honestly can't remember why we kept most of this stuff to begin with.
Don't you remember that kite? We used to love flying that with Mother and Father.
Those days are long behind me.
As I live and breathe.
I was flying the kite and I got caught on a nanny.
Mary,
Poppins, you came back.
you seem hardly to have aged at all.
Really? One never discusses a woman's age, Michael. Would have hoped I taught you better.
What brings you here after all this time?
Same thing that brought me the first time. I've come to look after the bank's children.
Us?
Oh, yes, you too.
We're about to lose our home. Everything's fallen to pieces since your mother.
I miss Mother.
Nothing's gone forever, only out of place.
It's a good thing you come along when you did, Mary Poppins.
How'd you do that?
Do what?
So you've been off filling the children's heads with stuff and nonsense.
You've forgotten what it's like to be a child.
Everything is possible.
Even the impossible. Off we go.
Does it bother you that I'm not completely human?
You are the most human person I have ever met.
Didn't I tell you to be home before dark?
I just lost track of time.
Alita, you have to be responsible. You are someone very special.
Hey, kid.
Not just a teenage girl.
Hey, what's your problem?
You can't remember.
What do you mean?
Doc found you in the scrapyard. So you must be from up there.
And I'm just an insignificant girl.
Yeah, that's what they want you to think.
I'm not your daughter. I don't know what I am.
I do. You're the most advanced weapon ever. But that's just a shell. It's not bad or good. That part's up to you.
I do not stand by in the presence of evil.
She's threatening the natural order of things.
Tonight is not a game. It is a hunt. I need you to destroy a girl called Alita.
You made the biggest mistake of your life.
And what's that?
underestimating who I am.
So, Skrulls are the bad guys. And you're a Kree, a race of noble warriors.
Heroes. Noble warrior heroes.
Your life began the day it nearly ended. We found you. With no memory, we made you one of us. So you could live longer, stronger, superior. You were reborn.
I keep having these memories. Something in my past is the key to all of this.
You know how to fly this thing?
We'll see.
That's a yes or no question.
Yes.
Would you like to know what you really are?
I think I had a life here. What aren't you telling me?
You've come a long way. But you're not as strong as you think.
This war is just the beginning.
I'm not gonna fight your war. I'm gonna end it.
Aren't you the cutest little thing?
Aren't you cute? And what's your name, huh?
Fury.
What's cute? I'll be back.
Save the day with your sidekick. Embark on new adventures with friends. Or lose yourself with your true love. Experience moments worth sharing. Welcome to a world of unlimited possibilities.
Welcome to Emirates, Mr. Jones. Just sit back, relax, then let us entertain you.
With over 3,500 channels of entertainment, including the latest movies and box sets from around the world. We even have live sports and news channels. Over 30,000 music tracks. And your free Wi-Fi will start shortly.
Enjoy your flight, Mr. Jones.
We're here to take care of you.
World's best in-flight entertainment. Fly Emirates. Fly better.
wish is a perfect gift for Mum and Dad. Time together for two, with a little magic and help from you. That'll do. The Cineworld Christmas gifting range. Practically perfect in every way.